Now we're on to lesson 83. I'm going to do the first 4 examples for you. Lesson 83, page 589, says that I'm supposed to write a quadratic equation that has these 2 roots. Well, if those are roots, that's where it crosses the x-axis, so I'm going to put x equal to that, and I'm going to put x equal to 3. Add this over to this side, so I have x plus 7 times x minus 3. So we're doing exactly the opposite. Usually we start with the quadratic equation, factor it, and figure out what the roots are. Well, they're giving us the roots, so we got to work the other way. So that's why I added this over, subtracted this over. Now I have to FOIL this, so I get x squared plus 4x minus 21. That's my quadratic equation. Okay. On B here, they said, the directions say they want 3 quadratic equations, so everything else is about the same. Except for they want 3 quadratic equations here. And I have x equals 3. So I have x minus 2 times x minus 3. FOIL this, I get x squared minus 5x plus 6 when I put my inners and outers together. Now, that's one of my quadratic equations. Multiply it by the whole equation by whatever you want. I'll multiply it by 2. So this here is equivalent to that one. Multiply everything by 3 or choose whatever your number you want, but multiply the entire equation by the same thing. So if I multiply by 3, I get 3x squared minus 15x plus 18. All 3 of those will give me 2 and 3 as my roots. Okay? This one here, C, says I'm supposed to write the quadratic equation that has a root of 5. All right, so I'm going to have x plus 5 quantity squared, right? So x equals negative 5, add that over, so I get x plus 5. And if I got a quadratic here, I have x plus 5 times x plus 5. They're both equal to x equals negative 5, so I know that's my only root. Okay. Multiply this here, and 25. Okay, same story here, except for they want 3 quadratic equations that has 4 as the root. So and then again, multiply by whatever you want. I'm going to keep it simple. Multiply by 2. And then I'm going to multiply by 3. And these 3 equations would all give 4 as the root. And I'll pause this here and I will finish this lesson out because the other questions will take a little bit longer.